Welcome back. Every child is an artist and every artist must remain a child from within. It's only when you are free of inhibitions, fears and expectations that you can stay true to your talent and keep the creative forces alive. Every society needs a creative outlet. Poetry, dance, music and art lessen the stresses of daily life, not only for the artist but for the admirer too. And it's with great pleasure that we on High Life Dubai bring you Middle East's largest art event, Art Dubai 2010. Art Dubai 2010 hosted over 70 galleries from 30 countries all over the world, making Dubai a creative hub for collectors, artists and art professionals. This contemporary fine art fair is held every March and is now in its fourth successful year after gathering a total strength of 18,000 visitors. And the list of high-profile buyers included members of the royal family, major international and regional museums, and established and new collectors from the Middle East, Europe, Asia, and the US. We spoke with John Martin, who is the director and co-founder of Art Dubai, to find out who are the rising stars of tomorrow's art world.
Our team puts together a fantastic show, and we're here in Jumeirah, which is a beautiful venue. In a way, we're creating kind of platform. It's a bit like, it's a bit like those, iPhones. You leave it out to developers to develop the apps. It's the apps that really make it magical. And it's the same with Art Dubai. We've always had an open door policy. We've got the shelter, Brown Book, we've got all the commercial galleries. In that 4 years, they've grown from sort of 8 to over 40 now. We've got the art bus that sort of regularly Jamjar organises that take people around the city. I mean, the city's really come alive, and I think that that's because there wasn't art, that people have obviously seen a vacuum. They feel that they can not only get involved with art and there's an audience here, but increasingly the international art world is really sitting up and taking note of what's happening in Dubai. And it's not just Dubai. Art Dubai and the whole city works because it's about the whole region.
I'm Miriam and I work for Edge of Arabia. This is our first time at Art Dubai, which is really exciting, and we have a kind of integrated participation. So we're not showing artwork so much as showing really what we do here. We have our books, we have some light boxes.
I think Art Dubai has done wonderful things for Dubai, and it's really brought Dubai's art world to an international level. All the galleries here are very important galleries.
Art Dubai has matured into a highly regarded art event on the world platform, and due to this immense growth, art collection has become a form of investment for many people, including mega celebrities like Angelina Jolie, Kylie Minogue, Madonna and even Gauri Khan. I hope this trend continues, and it is always important to preserve culture. Actually, preservation of anything precious is important, and this brings us to the launch of Bulgari's new luxury skincare line, which I believe is created to preserve the quality of your skin. Using the same principles applied to creating their jewels, innovations, design and detail, Bulgari has created a collection of skin care products that are equally as luxurious. Blending the contemporary with the classic, this new skincare line is the embodiment of luxury formulated with the Bulgari's aesthetic of using precious stones to create the pinnacle of skin care, which is dedicated to reversing the sign of aging, thanks to its new patented Bulgari Gem Essence formula.
I'm coming in Dubai for a very important event. So it's a launch of the new skincare line, a Bulgari skincare line, and it's a whitening line. The name of this line is Blanc Originel, and it's a breakthrough in the cosmetic field because we act in the same time on dark spot, on complexion, dullness complexion, and on sun damage. The skincare is really related to the heritage of Bulgari and to its expertise in the precious stones, first of all, because Bulgari is first of all a jeweler. And so, as you probably know, in our skincare line we have a precious essence, an essence of precious stone. The name of this essence is the Bulgari Gem Essence, and it's a combination between 4 gemstones. What is very interesting is that 4 gemstones provide a beautiful radiance, revitalization and protection to the skin.
I love Bulgari for its timeless presence and unique offering, and I'm keen to try out their new offering, which is available exclusively at Harvey Nichols. That's all the time we have for your fashion and style updates. Be back next week and we'll bring you more. Till then, keep tweeting and Facebooking, and of course, there's YouTube for all of you who want to check out any of the episodes that you've missed. Remember that a smile is the most attractive thing anyone can wear, something money can't buy and shops don't sell. So keep smiling, stay true to yourself and keep living the high life every day, because you deserve to. Till I see you again next week, this is Uma signing off. Tonight's show was filmed at the plush interior store Natuzzi. Natuzzi has brought new understanding to the living room. So, if you're looking for a home that is versatile and harmonious, you sure can count on the design consultants at Natuzzi for the perfect touch.